Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope so you all are good. Today I am going to explain you the indefinite article a or an. Before starting the video, friends, if you are new on my channel, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. So the indefinite article a or an. Why do we call them indefinite article? Because a or an are used for non-specific person. Like I have a friend. Okay, here a friend means I am talking about any friend. A girl, a friend, a cat, a dog are non-specific. Okay, so remember one thing, a or an always used with non-specific person or things. So use of a, we will use a with consonant. We have 21 consonant like B, C, D, G, F, etc. We use an with vowel sound. We have 5 vowel sound like A, E, I, O, U. So remember, we will use an with 5 vowel sound. First is A. We will use a when it precedes a word starting with the consonant. So the first is girl. So the first letter of girl is G. So G is a consonant. So we will use here a. Next is an. We will use an when it precedes a word starting with the vowel sound like arrow. The first letter of arrow is A. So we will use here an because it is an vowel sound. So let's see some more examples. Okay. Firstly, remember one thing, a or an used with singular noun means any one thing. Singular means one thing. We are talking about one thing like a ball. Okay. So a ball means we are talking about only one ball. A cat means one cat. An aeroplane means one aeroplane. An ant means one ant. So guys, keep one thing in your mind. A or an always used with singular noun. Now A with consonant. A ball. So B is a consonant. So we will use here A. A cat. C is a consonant. So we will use here A. Now an with vowel sound. Aeroplane. The first letter of aeroplane is A. So we will use here an because it is a vowel sound. Ant. Okay, the first letter ant is A. A is a vowel sound. So we will use here an. Let's see some more examples. So circle the correct articles. Guys, we have some pictures and we have to choose which article will be used for the picture. So what is this? What you can see here, this is a baby. So B-A-B-Y, baby. The first letter of baby is B. So B is a consonant. So we will use here a baby. Next is car. What is this? This is a car. The first letter of car is C. So C is a consonant. So we will use here a car. Next is, what is this? This is iguana. So the first letter of iguana is I. So I is a vowel sound. So we will use an. Next is television. What is this? This is a television. The first letter of television is T. So T is a consonant. So we will use here a television. Next is air. Air. So the first letter of air is E. So we will use here an. Next is alligator. The first letter of alligator is A. A is a vowel sound. So we will use here an. Okay. So next is, we will see a or an in the matching form. Match the word to the correct articles. So we have ant. The first letter ant is A. So it is a vowel sound, so we will match A with N. Okay. Next is bed. The first letter of bed is B. B is a consonant, so we will match it with the A. Next is we have I. The first letter of I is E, so we will match it with N. Okay. So next is game. The first letter of game is G. G is a consonant, so we will match it with A, game. Okay. Turtle. The first letter of turtle is T, so we will match it with A, turtle. Next is arrow. So the first letter of arrow is A. A is a vowel sound, so we will match it with N. So an arrow. One has done for us already. Next is monkey. The first letter of monkey is M, so we will match it with A, monkey, because M is a consonant. Next is oven. The first letter oven is O. O is a vowel sound, so we will match with N. Okay. Next is octopus. The first letter of octopus is O, so O is a vowel sound, so we will match it with N. Okay. Next is shirt. The first letter of shirt is S, so we will match it with consonant A. We will match it A because S is a consonant. Next is bicycle. Okay. The first letter of bicycle is B, so we will match it with A. Okay. So we will see some more examples. See, write A or N for the following pictures. So what can you see here? This is a card. So the first letter of card is C. So we will use here A because C is a consonant. What you can see here? Ambulance. The first letter ambulance is A. A is a vowel sound, so we will use here N. Okay. Next is lion. The first letter of lion is L. So L is a consonant, so we will use here A lion. Next is arrow. Okay, this is a arrow. So we will use arrow with N because arrow, the first letter of arrow is A, or A is a vowel sound. Engine. The first letter engine is E, so we will use here N because E is a vowel sound. Park. So P is a consonant, so we will use here A.